What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is Sawyer Custom and Speed. We do off-road content, builds, rides, and all kinds of different stuff. Sometimes we do video reviews. Sometimes we go out and do crazy stuff on the track. We got a motocross track behind the shop. Got a full-blown shop where we do all kinds of custom builds. Three-wheelers, quads, mostly motocross emphasis. A little bit of off-road mudding emphasis. Yes, I've built a couple of lifted trikes, got a couple other ones getting together. Also do dirt bike to three-wheeler conversions and quad to three-wheeler conversions. No task is too big. No task is too small. We do what other people don't want to do. We do what other people aren't going to do. This is a built, not bought kind of shop. We spend our time, we spend our talents doing the fun things that we absolutely enjoy doing. And that is building monsters. We've got a TRX 400EX rear swing arm that we're polishing up because we've got an 87 TRX 250R that we're putting together as soon as the frame gets back from powder. I can't powder coat quad frames because my oven's not big enough. Everything else I can do. If I can remove the subframe off the quad, yes, that frame will fit in the oven. Too bad the Quad Racer and the TRX are not like that. So we've got a 92 Quad Racer 250 going together. These are all parts that are getting powder coated. They just got sandblasted. They're going on the 92 Special Edition. Can't wait to get that thing all back together. The TRX swing arm is polishing up really nice. Quad Racer parts are polishing up really nice also. We're going to slip some ride videos in here also. Couple of cool little hole shots. Some corners, some jumps. We'll even see if we get the crash in there. Yeah, I actually high-sided the three-wheeler. Been a long time since I've been ejecto-cedo-cuzzed off the three-wheeler, and she got me today. Check this out. We're going to see if we can slow it down so you guys can really catch the ups because it was soft. Nothing bad happened, but it was kind of funny. At least I thought it was kind of funny. This is the first time I've crashed in a long time. Been racing motocross. We'll come up short on jumps, but rarely, I think in the 7 years that I've been racing, I've been ejected off my trike maybe 4 times. That is really a low amount. There we go. Yep, came into the corner a little hot, and nope, it was a bad thing. Soft sugar sand, just ate that outside tire, and we high-sided. Got some of it on camera, not all of it. Couple of berm shots. I know we're going to be throwing a couple of more shots back in here, too. Kind of mixing the video up a little bit, trying to get you guys to stick around through the whole thing. Not a very long video, but it's got some cool shots in it, that's for sure. Absolutely love this ATC250R. We got Sawyer custom invert plates on there, CRF 450 fork shortened 5 1/4 inches, Elka stage 4 rear shock, ported polished built motor. This thing is just way too much fun. It's been on the podium countless times. Runs amazing. Yes, it's been built God knows how many times since we've been racing. Same cylinder though. We'll get some more jump videos going. A little bit of airtime on this thing. New track layout is awesome. Trying to get used to it on the three-wheeler. Go check out the videos with the quads. Tony and Shane were out there killing it on that thing. More Quad Racer parts in the powder. We got everything all laid out. There's a nice frame, and it's kind of slowly going together. But back to the track fun. Alright, if you guys love this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comments on the videos are always encouraged. We're live streaming on the Sawyer Custom Gaming channel, so if you got mechanical questions or you just want to have some moto talk, come on over and hang out. Lots of stuff to do. We're playing Final Fantasy 14, hanging out, and helping people build stuff over the internet. Yep, already helped a couple of people diagnose things, helped a couple of people fix some stuff and build some stuff. It's a lot of fun. Got people coming over from the music channel also. It's kind of where we're just funneling everybody to. You come to the live streams and hang out. We're on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. Look forward to seeing y'all there. Appreciate the views. See y'all in the next one.